Gokila, I'm really excited to talk to you about the Now Summit in India around Now Assist. They took
Question
place.
one.
Please, what were they about?
Hey Chad, thanks for having me. So I'm pretty excited. This year, India Summit had centered its focus around putting AI to work, meaning intelligence in every corners of your business.
Okay.
So how Navasis was smartly woven into our ongoing narrative of digital transformation, especially into industries like manufacturing, telco, banking, and healthcare. So yeah,
Super.
and collectively improving the functioning of these industries.
Wow. All right. So we talked about banking, healthcare, some telecommunications technologies. So super popular regionally. So how about what were some
Question
of the key
two.
topics discussed specific to Now Assist in those industries?
Mhm. So it was clear to us that the attendees weren't newbies, right, to Novassist space. They came in with a lot of awareness on Novassist for ITSM text to code. So we took a bit of a deep dive into Novassist for other workflows and specific to these industries that we just discussed,
Yeah.
especially the employee customer workflows, FSM. And we, of course, had demos for all of these, right? How can we not? Like, we weren't just saying techie cool stuff, but also
Right.
made sure that we were also witnessing these features in action. And there's no doubt it's going to be 10x bigger at Knowledge 24.
Absolutely. And Knowledge 24 is going to have some breakout sessions. I heard there was breakout sessions there in those
Question
summits. What
three.
were some of the popular ones there?
The popularity of other sessions is an interesting insight because it kind of depended on where you were at. The summit took place in three major cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore,
Okay.
and each bringing a unique crowd of customer leaders, attendees, and all of them exchanging conversations around predominantly Now Assist.
Okay.
However, in Mumbai and Delhi, I would say the industry sessions, especially manufacturing and banking, like they wanted to understand more about the future trends in digital tech.
Right.
Platform was a big hit, CIO dashboards were a big hit. And
Okay.
of course, this may not come as a surprise. Core tech sessions had a huge footfall. So, yeah.
And I'm not surprised either, but it's great insight to understand the nuances between each of those particular summits and how Now Assist was really served up specifically to those regions. All right. So maybe let's talk about the customer feedback overall. What was the
Question
kind of feedback
four.
that you got from these? Because this is kind of the first time we've done something like that out there. Is that correct?
India Summit has been happening, but predominantly around Now Assist, centering that as the central theme. This is the first
Yes.
time, I guess. And attendees were already pretty savvy about Now Assist, right? And they were all ears about what's next on the Now Assist roadmap. When are you releasing knowledge generation, which I'm sure we are showcasing at Knowledge 24. And there were specific questions around their work challenges on task assignment. How can you help us out with these issues with Now Assist preferably? And yeah, and we just felt there should have been more multiple sessions like mini theater sessions, demo sessions. Overall, the reception was great. It was positive. Everyone's eager to know about Now Assist, how it can make their lives easier and work even more cooler.
So that concludes our 4 questions in 4 minutes, Gokila. I really appreciate you spending time with me. You mentioned a couple good tidbits. People are eager to learn more. So if you do want to learn more about Now Assist or anything, follow-ups around those sessions, please reach out to Gokila or myself out in community. You'll see the URL here at the end. And with that, Gokila, I want to thank you for spending your time with me.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm glad.